Good day, everyone. This is Ernie Kish with the Kish Cash Fund. I haven't seen you guys in a while. Haven't been out, been busy doing stuff. But nice to be back, talking to all my friends. So, what have we been doing? Well, we've been busy and we've been very successful. So thank all the blessings, because anything can happen, right? So anyway, we bought a home. We've been fixing it up and all those wonderful things. We've still been trading, but I apologize for being busy. We're working on this book also entitled. It was entitled "Scalping the Cabal," but I think that's a little too Halloweenish. So I'm gonna go with the psychology of the trade, and we'll be finishing that up. So, look for that. A while back in 2009, we started trading with $150, and we didn't have two nickels to rub together. Other than that, I mean, we put $150 that we didn't have, um, to put at risk in the market, and we studied with Tony Turner and read some books. One of them I really enjoyed by Mark Douglas and John Carter, and learned about Jesse Livermore and a whole bunch of stuff. So over they say you crash and burn within 2 years, and so that's 3 years anyway that we've been trading. And like I said, we didn't have anything, and now we own our home free and clear. So that, and along with the secret and the power of attraction, all those good things, those will be mentioned in the book. But what have we made like what have you made, Ernie, on personally on, like what are you looking at? And I'm looking at some small stuff, because small stuff has always been, what has got me by. You can buy, like CVM's running 33 cents a share right now, so you can buy 1,000 shares for $330. Wahoo! It hasn't been doing a whole heck of a lot. May come down, but I don't know. That's something that we've been watching. But anyway, we've made some money on KERX, and this is the reason why. Uh, Way back over here on the left part of the screen, back over in this direction over here, KERX was down quite a bit. It had some bad news on one of the drugs that they were like, oh, maybe on this one. But so it went from like $6 all the way down to like $1.28, something like that, and then started making its high back up to here. Was the high that it made, and then we see it coming back down. Now we're just watching this thing as to what's going on, and here's our sign right here. We put in these Fibonacci bands and whatnot, and so you've got a hammer. And when you see a hammer at the low, what does it usually mean? It usually means that things are going to take a reverse in direction. And look at what it did. It did reverse in direction. Not only did it reverse in direction, but let's take a look at this. This is an ascending triangle. Okay, so the traders pushed this into giving us a sign with the hammer, and then an ascending triangle. And then what happened? A little bit, didn't we? And then we went sideways a little bit over here. Not really a descending triangle. Could be. I'd be watching this pretty heavy right in through here to make sure it didn't go in that direction on us. If we were in this trade, I would have gotten out if it started to tank on us. But look what happened over the next few days. And then we topped out up here. And it's probably, you never know. But we're looking for it to go back up that way. It came down to its 20 and its 50 yesterday down here. And then today it says, I'm bouncing. I'm bouncing off my 50. It hit its 50. It's at this Fibonacci here. So the traders decided to take it up a little bit. Now, at, let's see, $1.92. Okay, you buy in at $1.92, $1.93. Low today, $1.92. Okay, so $1.93, buy 1,000 shares, the $1,930 plus your commission. And if you day traded this, you take yourself out right here at 2004 cents or so, at $2. So you make $80, $90, $100 for the day. for somebody that goes to work minimum wage and works 8 hours, 8, 10, 12 hours, I mean, that's a whole paycheck in itself right there. And all you have to do is watch the markets. The big boys that are putting in zillions of dollars are saying, laughing at somebody that's only taking out $100 at a time. But okay, you put 2,000. Let's do some math. You put $2,000 in, and you take out 100 that day. If everything goes right. I'm not saying you can do that every day, but I'm just saying look at your signs and play your hunches. That's what it's all about. And that's what the book. Books are telling you, and that's what my book will be telling you is to play your hunches. Don't be a member of the. Don't be like a guy that walks into the casino and plays, but be the casino. Put those edges in your favor. Um, okay, what else is going on here? Well, that's been the KERX trades. So, been pulling out a little bit of money. So look at this thing. I wouldn't buy this thing right now. At this second, I'd be watching it. I would putting it on a, like an hour. Watch it by the hour or something like that. But this is not a bad trade. But when you get in like this, and then you're selling up here, you're only making 10 cents. But if you've got 1,000 shares, you're making 100. And if you're a real high roller and you want to buy 2, 3,000 shares, then do that. Let's not go whole hog and put 100% in. Usually you only want to put 25% of your whole bankroll in. So if you got $8,000 in your account, you're allowed to put 2,000 into this trade. That is just a rule. You play your rules and you win. You break your rules and you lose. Okay. If all you have is $2,000 in your trade account and you want to put the whole kit and caboodle in, your day trading only. You're not gonna like say I'm gonna put my $2,000 in, buying at 192. I've made $100. I'm gonna keep it overnight. Well, I don't know. Do you want to put all of your eggs in one basket and keep it in the market overnight? I wouldn't do that. No, I don't think I would do that. Have done that on occasion, and have done okay. I've done that on occasion. I'm sure that it didn't do okay, and I'm like, just got wiped out, or half wiped out, or most wiped out, or. But anyway, use your head. Use your head. Play your hunches, and obey your rules. Again, obey your rules. Okay. Define your risk. All those wonderful things. Listen to Tony. Listen to Mark. Listen to John Carter, and enjoy my book when I finally get it out there and published. And I might give you bits and pieces. Hey, listen, everybody. I want to, thank you for everything, for listening and whatnot. And God bless. I am having a lot of fun. I hope you are too. All right. You have a great day. We'll catch you later.